Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed what is mean and how to find the mean. In this video we will learn what is median and how to find median. Today our topic is median. Median is the middle value when values are arranged in an order. I repeat, median is the middle value when values are arranged in an order. The table given shows the number of people who visited the museum in the first 6 months of the year. Here months are given and here number of people are given who visited the museum. In January, 26 people visited. In February, 30 people visited the museum. In March, 15 and in April, 21 people visited the museum. In May, 30 and in June, 28 people visited the museum. Our first step is arranging the values in an order. We will arrange the data in ascending order. It means we can say that we will arrange the order from smallest to the greatest. Our smallest value in the data is 15. We will write 15 here. What will be the next value? Find out from the data. This is 21. Then we will write 21 here. After 21 it comes 26. Then it comes, yes, find out. 28. We will write 28 here. After 28 it comes, yes, 30. And here we can see that there are two values. So we will write 30 after it. Now we have arranged the data in ascending order from smallest to the greatest. There are 6 values which mean that the data is even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 values and 6 is the even number. It means that the data is even. Therefore, the median will be average of middle two values, and middle two values are 26 and 28 because there are two values on the left side and two values on the right side are left. So we will add 26 and 28 and we will divide it by 2 because they are two numbers. If we add 26 and 28 we get 54 and we will divide it by 2. If we divide 54 by 2 we get 27. So 27 is the median of this data. Here are marks scored by Sarah in 5 different assessments during a term in mathematics. In test 1 she got 4 marks, in test 2 10 marks, in test 3 she got 8 marks, in test 4 she got 6 marks and in test 5 she got 7 marks. Here we can see that there are 7 values which mean that the data is odd. I repeat, there are 5 values which mean that the data is odd because 5 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 values. First of all, we will arrange the values in an order. From the data, if we see that 4 is the smallest number, so we will write 4 here. After that, it comes 6. If we see in the data, the next number that comes after 6 is 7. So we will write 7 here. After that it comes 8. The next value will be 8 and then it comes 10. So we will write 10 here. Now we have arranged the data in ascending order from smallest to the greatest. 4, 6, 7, 8 and 10. When divided into equal halves we can see that third value takes the middle value, as there are two values on the left and there are two values on the right. The middle value is 7. So we can say that 7 is the median. 7 is the median of this data. In this video we have discussed what is median and how to find the median. In the next video we will learn what is mode. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.